In today's video, I'm going to share how you can earn $20 plus by just clicking one button, and this is incredibly easy to do. So in this video, I will show you exactly how this method works. I'll also share with you step by step everything you need to know, and I'll show you the different websites where you need to go and what you need to do. This is 100% free to get started with, and it's also available worldwide. So what do you not need? Well, you do not need any experience, skills, money, and you don't even need to spend lots of time with this. Now make sure you watch this video till the end, because once I've gone over this and I've shown you step by step how this works, I'll then share with you how you can go ahead and get access to a free software. It's free, and I'll give you a demo of this, and literally with this software you can speed up the whole process and it will take you less than 5 seconds. Once we've done that and I've shown you the software and everything, I'll then share some different methods that you can use to make more money with this. Now this is 100% free. It's really simple, it's really easy. All it will take is a little bit of time to set everything up. So if you want to make some money online and from home and you're prepared to put in a little bit of effort and time, then this may be a method for you. So let's jump into today's video and I'll walk you through another simple way to make money online from home. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to go over this really simple method that you can use today to start making money online. And this come about a couple of days ago when I was over on my blog and I was looking for a freelancer. So let me go into this and show you exactly how this works. So let me come off my blog for a start. Let me go over here and show you how this all works and how to set this up. So what is this and how can you get paid by simply clicking some buttons? So I'm over here on a website called Fiverr.com, and we've covered Fiverr.com many times in the past. If you're not aware of Fiverr, it's a website that you can use to offer services. And don't worry, I'm not just going to share Fiverr with you in this video. I've got a couple of different websites that you can use with this method. But what is it? So you see this here, this is someone who is selling this service here, and it's starting at £16.89. Now I'm in the UK, so it's UK pricing, so this will obviously be different in your own country. So here, I will image cutout, image background removal. Basically what they will do is, you see this picture up here, they will remove the background from an image. So this on the left hand side was the original image, this on the right hand side is the work once it's been done, and they're charging their starting price at £16.89. And don't worry, I'm going to show you where you can get the software for this for free. So if I go into this here, this is it. So they will image cutout, image background. Basically they'll remove the background. As you can see here, they've had 105 feedback left over on this person's account. So what do they do? So for £16.89, they will remove 10 backgrounds for you and deliver them. That's it. So literally they get given an image, they remove the background, and they're earning this. Obviously less the fee what Fiverr charges. We've then got a standard package, which is where they'll remove 20 backgrounds, and there's also a premium package, which is where they'll remove 60 backgrounds. Now you might be thinking this will take a long time. Honestly, it doesn't. It takes less than 5 seconds to do this, and I'll show you exactly in a couple of minutes the software and how to go ahead and get this. And as I mentioned, it is free. So if I click on here, you can see some of the different types of images that they've got on here and the background work that they do on here. So this is it basically. All they're doing on here is they're just removing backgrounds. Now this got me wondering. Years ago when I used to have an online eBay business, I used to go ahead and remove all these backgrounds myself. So then I started thinking, well, maybe you could offer this service to people who have Amazon stores, eBay stores, Etsy stores, blogs, the list starts going on and on when you start thinking about this. And this is over on Fiverr. Now, there's lots of these different freelancing websites. So, for instance, with Fiverr, you could go ahead and create an account on Fiverr for free and upload your own services like this one here, where you're offering to remove backgrounds for people and you charge a fee. If you was going to do that, you wouldn't just limit yourself on Fiverr. There's hundreds of these different platforms, and ultimately, it's just a numbers game, isn't it? So if I go over here, this is on a website called People Per Hour. This is a freelancing website, and all I've done on here is I've typed in background removal, and it's very similar over on here. You can see this one here, there will be, you can see wine bottle before, wine bottle afterwards, and then we've also got here econ pictures, and many more. But basically all they're doing is they're removing backgrounds for people, and these sell. Even if you was just focusing on Amazon listings or even things like Shopify listings, you could make this as broad or as specific as you wanted to with this, and ultimately it's free. So if you want to try and make some money with this method, there's no reason why you can't do it. It will purely take some time and effort on your behalf, and that's it. So this is over on Fiverr. Now let me go ahead and have a look at this. So we're on Fiverr here, background removal. Let's type in Amazon. See if anybody's got any of these listings up for Amazon. They may have, they may not do. So let's go on here and have a look through. So look at this one here. I will design Amazon product listing images for you. Background removal starting at £29.56. We've got another one here. Background removal starting at £8.45. Now obviously you've got some of these on here at £4.22, and these are people who are just basically trying to build up their Fiverr account. But what will happen is, when people have an Amazon store or an eBay store or a Shopify store, do you think they're going to want to come on here and maybe pay £4.22 to someone? I don't know, is the honest answer. Whenever I'm purchasing anything like this, I never go for the cheapest or the most expensive. I always try and find something in the middle, and I don't know whether that's a psychological thing, or I don't know whether that's because I don't want to go cheap because I think the end products will be pretty terrible. So I always try and go in the middle. So if you are going to go down this route, I would definitely recommend to start your pricing a little bit higher than these. But this is over on Fiverr, and this marketplace over here is quite competitive. But you wouldn't, as I mentioned, you wouldn't just have to list your services on Fiverr. You can list them on Fiverr like people are doing on here. You could go over to freelancing websites like People Per Hour. You can go on to guru.com, Freelancer, Upwork. There's many more of these. Another simple thing you could do, you could go on Facebook and you could create a Facebook page on there, and you could do it all around, you know, digital graphic design, all that sort of stuff, and you could use the free software what I'm going to share with you to literally get this up and running. You could even go ahead and list your listings over on eBay itself, or you could go on Amazon and list it on Amazon and Etsy. You could create a free blog, a free you see, you can just start to go on and on with this. But ultimately, this is a method that you can use to make some really simple money online and from home. So how do you go ahead and do this and literally do it really quick? You can use this website here. This is just one website, but this one here, it's absolutely free. It's 100% automatic, and it's done in 5 seconds. And you can see on here without a single click. So how does this work? Well, you upload a photo, or you can enter a URL. So if somebody's already got a blog or a website or an Amazon store or anything like that, and they want the background removing, then they give you the URL, and you can do that from here. So you would go ahead, you'd select a photo, and then you upload one from here. So in this example here, this is on my laptop. So I'll just click this one, click on enter. Oh, sorry, then click on this one, click on enter. You can see it uploads here. On the left hand side we've got the original. On the right hand side we've got this one here with the background removed, and that is genuinely it. That's how quick and easy this is to do. And this website here, this remove.bg, I will drop a link down below for you, and you can go ahead and check this out. But as you've seen here, this software, it works incredibly well and it works very quick. So once you're happy with this, you simply go ahead and click on download. So then if you start going into this, you've got background removal for companies. You can do websites, Amazon stores, eBay stores, even silly things like, let's go ahead and see if this is on here. Let's go and have a look at Instagram removal. Let's just see if anyone's doing this for Instagram. Look at this. Over on Instagram, I will remove people, well maybe not that one, but I would say go through and have a look at this and see if people are listing their service like this on Instagram. If they're not, you can go ahead and offer your service for Instagram and any of these other up and coming social media platforms, whichever ones are popular, especially like with the younger kids nowadays. I don't really know, but this one here, this background removal. Let's just go with this one here, remove background from image. And all I would say is just play around with the search bar up here and even go on Google and see if people are searching for this. In fact, let's go do this. Go here. Let's go here. Let's put this in Google and see if people are searching for this on Google. because you could offer your service on Google. You could even go a step further and run ads here and put your paid ads up on here. So let's see how many people are looking for this. Background eraser tool for free, background remover PowerPoint. So people are actively searching for these sorts of search terms every single month. So you can see on here, there's a huge demand for this. People are actually searching for this. So another method that you could do with this is you could go ahead and create a free website or a free blog, and then you could create articles around these keywords here, and then offer your services that way, because people always want the quickest and the fastest way to do something. So if they're going on Google and typing in, some of these keywords here, and your ads appearing up here, or your blog articles appearing, then you're going to get sales. There's no way around it. Now, being 100% transparent with you, going down the blog route and focusing on traffic that way, it will take you a bit of time, because you'd need to start going down the search engine optimization route, but that's something for a completely other video. But that is today's video. That is just one way that you can make money online using a free software and free tools. So to recap, the website here where you can go ahead and get this, it's called remove.bg. You can go ahead and offer your services on sites like People by the Hour. You can offer it on websites like fiverr.com. There's also show you a couple more. Freelancer, free. You can go on this one. Look, here's one. We've got Upwork. You can go on Upwork. You've got freelancer.com. You've got TotalP. You've got guru.com. There's hundreds more of these where you can go ahead and offer these services. So that is today's video. Hope you found it useful. I will drop all of the links to everything I've mentioned below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you found it useful, please give the video a like and leave me a comment below. But yeah, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.